What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the Bank of New York Mellon's online banking account's password. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this, and let's move forward. So the first step is you want to search for Bank of New York Mellon login. Once you search for it, click on versus next on login BNY Mellon. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this website. Over here, click on versus forgot password. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, enter your user ID of whose account's password you forgot, and then enter the email of your account, and this email should be linked with the account whose password you forgot. And just click on submit, and basically it's going to send a verification code to your email if the information you entered here is correct, and through your email you can change your password. All right, there's going to be like a link sent to the email. Just go through the link to change your password. So that's how you guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.